Today, I'm taking you step by step to craft this powerful look that combines your image with bold, textured text. Step 1. Copy layer. Alright, first things first. To get this started, let's press Ctrl+J to duplicate our image layer. This keeps the original layer safe while we make adjustments. Step 2. Add Gaussian blur. Next, head over to Filter, then Blur, and select Gaussian blur. We want to add a bit of softness here, so set the radius to around 10 pixels and hit OK. This creates a subtle background blur that makes your text stand out even more. Step 3. Save and delete blurred layer. Now go to File and Save As. Name it something simple, like Map. And save it. We'll be using this blurred version as a reference for our text effect in just a bit. Got it saved? Perfect. Let's keep things clean. Delete the Gaussian blur layer from your workspace to make room for the next steps. Step 4. Add your text now. It's time for the main event, the text. Grab your text tool and draw a text box right across the canvas. Paste in the text you want to use, maybe something powerful or poetic. Choose a solid black color for the text so it really contrasts with our image underneath and follow these settings. If you want to match the look I'm going for, you can download this awesome font from the link in the description. Now here's a pro tip. Right-click on the text layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This will make the text layer flexible so we can add effects and tweak them later without losing any quality. Step 5. Apply the Displace filter. Let's go to Filter, then Distort, and select Displace. Now set both the horizontal and vertical scales to 20, and click OK. Photoshop will ask you to choose a file. Select that map file we saved earlier. What this does is bend and distort the text ever so slightly to match the contours of the image, giving it a super cool, realistic feel. Step 6. Clipping mask. Now put your image layer on top of the text layer. Hold down Alt and click right between these two layers. This creates a clipping mask, where the image shows through only where the text is. Pretty neat, huh? Step 7. Adding a finishing touch. For that perfect final touch, let's add an adjustment layer. Select Solid Color. Pick a pure black and hit OK. Now drag this black layer all the way to the bottom so it sits beneath everything else. This deepens the contrast and makes that portrait text effect absolutely pop. And there you have it. If you loved creating this effect, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tricks. Comment below on what text effects you'd love to learn next. And let's keep bringing your creative ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.